Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'll show you how to switch data roaming off or on your shiny Honor Magic V5. Now, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And one of the questions we get asked most often about the devices we're reviewing is, how do I switch data roaming off or on? So here we go. First things first, obviously have your phone unlocked. Great thing about the Honor Magic V5 is that fingerprint scanner is really rapid. And then once you've done that, pull down your notification shade, press the cog. Once you're in the settings menu, go to mobile network, and then go from mobile network into mobile data. And you'll see that you have obviously a toggle to switch data on, and then select the option that you have for your SIM card and you toggle data roaming. In this case it's on. I'm going to switch it off. And that's pretty much it. If you had another SIM card, you'd have the option there, but in this case I just have the one in the device. So now I'll show you how to switch data roaming on. Pull down from the notification shade, tap on the cog, go to mobile network. From the mobile network menu, select mobile data, and then that toggle for data roaming, if you switch it on, you'll get a little warning note saying that roaming service may generate additional usage fees. If you click OK, that's data roaming on. So, bonus, I get to play this demo for you again, but this time on the inside screen. This is fun. So, I'm in the Honor Magic V5's internal screen, which is essentially a small tablet. Pull down the notification shade, go to settings, go from here to the mobile network menu. It's already open for you by default, but say you were somewhere else, just go to mobile network on the left, click on or tap on mobile data, and then toggle data roaming off by just switching that off. So easy peasy. And then if you want to switch data roaming on, again, my recommendation is pull down your notification shade, top right hand corner, mobile data, use the toggle for data roaming, and you'll get your pop-over notification saying roaming charges may generate additional usage fees. Click OK, and that's that. So there you go. That was how to switch data roaming off or on the Honor Magic V5. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.